The 2019 Frankfurt Auto Show in September will see Mercedes introduce plug-in hybrid versions of its smallest, most affordable models, the A-Class and B-Class. Both are intended for the European market. The A250e and the B250e both rely on a turbocharged, 1.3-liter four-cylinder engine and a motor that draws electricity from a 330-pound, 15.6 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery pack. The two power sources deliver 218 horsepower and 331 pound-feet of torque to the front wheels through an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. Mercedes quote an electric-only range of about 37 miles at up to 87 miles per hour. The Mercedes went to significant lengths to integrate the components of the hybrid powertrain as neatly as possible. The Turbo 4 exhales through an exhaust system with an outlet right under the passenger compartment, not at the car's rear end. The silencer is sandwiched into the transmission tunnel, a layout which frees up space for the fuel tank over the rear axle, and in turn lets the battery pack settle under the rear seats. Mercedes explained its compacts lose only a small amount of trunk space by going hybrid, but it hasn't released specific figures yet. The compact plug-in hybrid models are on sale now across Europe. The A250e starts at €36,943, and the B250e carries a base price of €37,663. Those figures represent about $41,000 and $42,000, respectively, but American motorists need not apply.